how to add your signature on Gmail. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps. And let's get started right away into this video. So first, go to mail.google.com or gmail.com in order to open your Gmail account and sign in to your specified account. Now, in order to create a signature, it's kinda look like it's complicated, but it's not. It's very easy. Just follow the steps and go to the settings in the upper right, just beside this question mark at the support icon, and click on settings. And now click on see all settings, because you wouldn't have the signature settings in the basic settings. And now scroll down under general. Here is signature here. Now all you gotta do is click on create new in order to create a new signature, and here you gotta type your signature name. Let's name this signature 1 and create it. And here type whatever name, like test name, and you can customize your signature by whatever you want. You can change the font from here like this, for example, if you want, and you can also change the font size from here, or you can also change the alignment from here or from here like this, align to the left or right. And you can also change the text color like this, underline your signature if you want, italize it, or make it bold. You can also insert an image under your signature if you want to insert a stamp or something. And you can also add a hyperlink here if you want it, and you can change its text that's displayed from here. And that's it. Very simple, very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and have a nice day.